YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I wanted to come and show you my new marinated sauce. This is the concoction right here, and we're gonna put that up on the chicken. And let me just tell you, I just got through tasting it, and it's sweet, and it's got a sweet and a little bit of a tang to it. So yes, I love it. So I wanted to come and show you everything what I use to actually get this. So what you'll need is a good amount of honey. It's like, this is like free ball it. You just free ball it of how much you want to use. So that's probably about half of the face. So a little bit of half of that. Good amount of that. The other thing you would need is a couple of, probably one big squirt of the Worcestershire sauce. And you would need a good teaspoon of the 1A sauce, and you would need to put 1 teaspoon of butter in a cup, a good microwave cup or measuring cup, whatever it's your choice, and melt it down and put it in the concoction, and that's it. So once my chicken gets marinated and unfreeze, I will do a part 2 to this video showing you how I marinate my chicken. So this is how I make my newer, this is just a step of me showing you how I marinate my chicken. This is going to be the marinade recipe. So y'all get ready for part 2, because this is going to be off the chain. Okay, until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.